Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Veera Tech 24. This is Veera. In this video we are going to discuss about laptop touchpad issues. So sometimes when you're using, because of some reasons like not updating your Windows, not updating your drivers, due to this your laptop gets touchpad issues. So in this video we will discuss how you can resolve. So let's get started. Just click on the Windows and type device manager. So now you can see all the drivers which is appears here. So where you have to click on is human interface devices. So most of the cases it will be available in human interface devices. If not, it will be available in mice and other pointing devices. So as of now this is not available in this. So if you click on the human interface devices, so there are a number of devices and other devices will be available in this. So what you can do is just look for the touchpad drivers. Yes, if you see HID compliant touchpad option in your device manager, that means it will be working properly. If not, so what you can do is, so guys, here two things available, like one is this HID compliant touchpad will not be available at all. So for that I'll give you one more scenario. So if it is available, this compliant touchpad, but still not working your laptop touchpad, so in this case what we can do is just click on this and right click, update driver. You get two options. In this you just select with browse my computer for drivers. Even if you try with search automatically for drivers, this will not come up because it may show the best drivers for your device are already installed. These known case already for everyone. So the second option is browse my computer for drivers. Okay. Even this option also it will not work. This option I will show in the next video, like in coming video, because this is like we need to install manually, then we need to download manually and we need to install. So let's not pick that option. I'll go with this option. So this is like, let me pick from my list of available drivers on my computer. So guys, as soon as you clicked on this is coming to HID compliant touchpad. That means this is already provisioned latest version. So when I click on this one, let me pick. If it comes on this compliant device, then I would have gone with touchpad compliant, this one. So guys, this is already installed in my computer, and I will show you how to install touchpad drivers if it is not available at all in your human interface devices. So to download manually, I will show how you can do that. Before that, if you're using Dell, HP or Lenovo, so you must remember there are vendor supporting tools, not exactly tools, it is websites. So if it is a Dell, you just need to click on support.dell.com. If it is HP, support.hp.com. And if it is Lenovo, then same way, support.lenovo.com. Okay guys, so for example I'll take Dell here. Anyone using Dell laptops can be relate this video. Just click on the support and support home. So guys, here it will ask for serial number of your laptop. Currently my laptop is not Dell, so but however how to get a serial number I will show. Just click on the Windows and type cmd. You get a command prompt. Just open that. Here you need to type wmic BIOS get serial number. Enter. So guys, you get a Dell laptop serial number like this. So this is my different laptop. So I will not be posting the serial number because only Dell laptops it will accept. So once you enter the serial number, then if you click on search, it will show you many options. In that there are two options mainly. One is manually install drivers, the other one is assistant. So assistant will help you to install all the drivers which is required as of now. I mean to say, so urgent requirement or priority requirements to your laptop, those things will be assistant will suggest you. So as of now we will not go to that assistant. We'll go only for manual drivers. So just click on the manual drivers, then you look for the touchpad drivers in Dell. So either it might be Intel, most of the cases it will be Intel only, or else you can look for the respective vendor drivers and download manually, and you can just double click on that. Once that is double clicked, so you'll be able to install. It may ask admin rights, just click on the yes. So once that is installed, you just go to device manager again, and you can look under the human interface devices. So for sure you're gonna get this option. So this is very laptop to laptop, I mean to say laptop like a Dell, HP or Lenovo. Yes guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. It will be very helpful. Thank you guys.